Breaking news for Singapore investors and our green energy sector. The United States has just announced massive tariffs on solar panels from Southeast Asia, with rates reaching as high as 3,521%. This is not a typo. That's 3,500%. This decision sends shockwaves through our regional solar industry and could reshape Singapore's renewable energy landscape. The U.S. Commerce Department finalized these steep tariffs yesterday after a year-long investigation into solar imports from 4 Southeast Asian nations: Cambodia, Thailand, Malaysia, and Vietnam. These countries supplied over $10 billion worth of solar products to the U.S. market last year, representing the majority of America's solar imports. So what's behind this dramatic move? American manufacturers claim Chinese solar companies have been using Southeast Asia as a backdoor to avoid existing U.S. tariffs. They argue these Chinese-owned factories in our region are selling panels below production costs and benefiting from unfair government subsidies. The tariffs vary significantly by country and company. Cambodia faces the steepest duties at over 3,500% because its producers refuse to participate in the U.S. investigation. Vietnam faces duties up to 396%, Thailand up to 375%, while Malaysia's rates are comparatively lower at around 34%. Major Chinese solar manufacturers like Jinko Solar and Trina Solar, which operate factories across Southeast Asia, are specifically targeted. For Singapore, this development creates both challenges and opportunities. First, let's consider the immediate impact. While Singapore isn't directly named in these tariffs, our renewable energy ecosystem is deeply integrated with these affected countries. Many Singaporean companies have investments or supply chain relationships with solar manufacturers in Malaysia and Vietnam. These partnerships now face serious disruption. For Singaporean investors with holdings in regional solar companies, this represents significant risk. Check your portfolios for exposure to companies like Jinko Solar, Trina Solar, JA Solar, or their local partners and suppliers. The market is likely to react strongly to this news in the coming days.